باب تفاضل أهل الإيمان في الأعمال. Chapter. The grades and superiority of the believers will be according to their good deeds. حدثنا إسماعيل قال حدثني مالك عن عمرو بن يحيى المازني عن أبيه عن أبي سعيد الخدري رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: يدخل أهل الجنة الجنة وأهل النار النار، ثم يقول الله تعالى: أخرجوا من كان في قلبه مثقال حبة من خردل من إيمان، فيخرجون منها قد اسودوا فيلقون في نهر الحياة أو الحياة. شك مالك: فينبتون كما تنبت الحبة في جانب السيل، ألم تر أنها تخرج صفراء ملتوية؟ قال وهيب: حدثنا عمرو الحياة، وقال خردل من خير.
Narrated. Abi Sa'id al-Khudri, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "When the people of paradise will enter paradise and the people of hell will go to hell, Allah will order those who have had faith equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed to be taken out from hell. So they will be taken out, but by then they will be blackened, charred. Then they will be put in the river of al-Hayat, rain, or al-Hayat, life. The narrator is in doubt as to which is the right term, and they will revive like a grain that grows near the bank of a flood channel. Don't you see that it comes out yellow and twisted?" Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith, then various books on this subject. He found a total of narrations 26 from Abi Sa'id al-Khudri radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.